Hi, my name is Richard Smatter. I'm a teacher librarian at Kirkland Middle School, and I discovered that I can still embed YouTube videos into PowerPoint. Do this with a tool called TubeChop. Now, this is a PowerPoint I've been working on. I'm doing a book talk tomorrow, and I wanted to show a trailer for the service Second Life because it relates to the book Ready Player One by Ernest Cline just fantastically. So I have a picture of the book cover there on my PowerPoint. I'm going to go to my next slide. It is playing a YouTube video for me that I can play right from the PowerPoint itself. I don't have to minimize the screen. I don't have to pull up Internet Explorer. I don't have to have any of that information. It's already ready to go. Now that used to be really possible and easy to do in PowerPoint, but then over the last couple of years, that's just become harder and harder because of the way that PowerPoint has worked and the way the embed codes work on YouTube. They've just not communicated well. So I was really excited to go and discover that when you use a service like TubeChop, it works perfectly. TubeChop is a way that you can just show a small clip of a YouTube video. So if you don't want to show the introduction or you want to show 1 minute of maybe a 10 or 15 or 20-minute video, whatever it is your needs and requirements, you can use TubeChop to do that. It's different than something like ViewPure. ViewPure lets you only see the video and it cuts out all the side advertisements and anything else that might be on the screen. So ViewPure is another great site to use also. TubeChop is when you just want to show a small segment of the video. So I head to TubeChop. And I need to put in the URL of my YouTube video. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to include a little bit about week of coding and the hour of code here into my book talk presentation because I'm trying to encourage students in the library to do that. So I'm just going to come right here at the top and I'm going to copy my URL, head back to TubeChop. I'm just going to paste that in and then I'm going to do search. It's going to find the video and it's actually going to start playing it. You notice that it shows me how long the video is. It's 9 minutes and 34 seconds long. And I can control exactly what part of that video I want to show. So maybe if I don't want to show these quotes, they're fantastic quotes, so I think I would. Maybe I just only have time to show 1 minute or 30 seconds of the actual video itself. So I just slide my bar here at the bottom and I get my video down to what I want. I can add in a small bit of text about my video if I want to. I don't have to.
Why
Those are
don't
all
you be
things that are
when you
optional.
grow up, Olivia?
I'm going to pause that. And then I'm ready to now chop my video so I can say chop it. When I chop it, I will get two things. I will get an embed code and I will also get a link. Now, the link is something that I can put into my PowerPoint. Of course, when I click on the link, it's going to open up Internet Explorer, minimize my PowerPoint, and I'll have to go back to my PowerPoint once my video is done. Or I can take this embed code here. The embed code, again, is such a great tool to be able to use in PowerPoint. Let me slide my PowerPoint screen over here back over. So I'm going to just insert a new slide. I'm going to insert a blank one right there. And if I wanted to put in the actual YouTube video that I had, of course, in the past, I could go to share and then I could go to the embed code. When I went to share, I could copy that embed code right here. And then on my PowerPoint, if I go to here along the ribbon, I go to the Insert tab and I choose Video and select Video from Website and then paste that embed code in. PowerPoint's going to give me an error. It doesn't work. And in YouTube, there used to be the little hack that you could choose to say use the old embed code. Even that option is gone. However, in TubeChop, if I copy the embed code from there, go back to PowerPoint, go back to my ribbon, go to the Insert Video tab there, go to the Insert tab and choose Insert Video from Website, paste in this embed code, it works. Now, this box, this kind of dynamic content box, I can move whatever I want to. I can have it as big or as small as I need to. Now, when I start my PowerPoint, in fact, I'll just start from this slide right here, and I go to the next slide in the presentation, you see that the video is embedded. I can play it right from there. It's only going to show 1 minute or however long I set my chop to be, which is just fantastic. That's exactly what I wanted. Now, I would also recommend, I would have to say that just to make sure that everything works fine, since TubeChop does give you the direct link to the URL, I usually include that with my presentation also, just to make sure that everything will go fine. But try TubeChop for embedding videos from YouTube into PowerPoint, so the next time you give your presentation, it's seamless, everything flows together, and you'll be the star of your presentation. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed this. Check out my YouTube channel for other tips and tricks for using Microsoft Office and other tools that you'll find online. Thanks. Hi, my name is Richard. I'm a teacher librarian from Kirkland Middle School in Kirkland, Washington, and I wanted to tell